Hidden Gem Brackenhurst. Brackenhurst is a stunning conference and retreat center located just 20 kilometers northwest of Nairobi, a place that inspires transformation. It's a perfect place to escape from the city. Tree Cafe is an la carte restaurant with a wide array of coffees, teas, and comfort foods. There are tennis and basketball courts on the grounds in addition to a large upper field for football or other field sports. Bring your tennis racket, cricket bat, or football to enjoy the facilities. The green spaces are part of the precious ecosystem surrounding Brackenhurst that creates a unique environment of inspiration and connection. Science suggests green spaces are some of the best places to reduce stress, communicate clearly, and develop new ideas. They offer accommodation and their rooms are full of character. They have an eclectic style that immerses you in layers of history. Boutique furniture, natural elements, and solar water heaters make their rooms a unique blend of serenity and sustainability. Check out their website for prices.